teaches what it shows. These are some example learn sheet and worksheet for the following video. All the topic related links are shared in the description box for free download. Now let's get into the video. Construction vehicles. Today we are going to learn about construction vehicles. Dump truck. It's a dump truck. Forklift. It's a forklift. Bulldozer. It's a bulldozer. Excavator. It's a excavator. Road roller. It's a road roller. Concrete mixer. It's a concrete mixer. Fuel truck. It's a fuel truck. Front loader. It's a front loader. Front and back hoe loader. It's a front and back hoe loader. Crane. It's a crane. Flatbed truck. It's a flatbed truck. These are some familiar construction vehicles. Can we see all together? Dump truck, forklift, bulldozer, road roller, fuel truck, concrete mixer, excavator, crane, front and back hoe loader, front loader, flatbed truck. Now you all know the names of the construction vehicle. Bye-bye. See you in the next video.
Thank you for watching Unicpapel. Be sure to subscribe and like our videos.